Hi, this is JM Place and we will talk about diodes. Paspasan lang natin to guys, sobrang bilis lang nito. So what is diode? A diode is a two-terminal electric component, two-terminal, the anode and cathode. Yung anode is sa positive side, then cathode is the sa negative side. So how does diodes work? So diodes can be on forward bias or reverse bias. So dalawa lang yan, itong forward and reverse. So current flows in forward bias only. Sa reverse bias, hindi siya nagpo-flow. So next tayo dito sa forward bias or on state ng diode wherein ang anode natin, ito yung anode, is connected to the positive side. Then ang cathode naman is sa negative side. Ito yung LED natin or load. So kung makikita nyo sa video, ayan. So ayan, nagpo-flow yung current sa ganitong connection. Ito yung forward bias or on state ng diode. Sa reverse bias, ito ay off state ng diode. So anode connected to the negative part, yung cathode naman connected sa positive. Ayan, cathode connected sa positive, yung anode natin connected sa negative part. So current does not flow. So kung makikita niyo dito sa video, ayan. Yung current natin hindi siya nagfo-flow. So run, ayan oh. Ayan oh. Dito pa lang sarado na siya. So diode allows current flow in only one direction. So ito yung comparison ng forward bias and reverse bias. So ayan, ito yung forward bias. Nag-allow siya ng current to flow. Ayan. Dito naman sa reverse bias, hindi siya nag-allow. So ito yung cathode, ito yung anode. Ito yung tandaan yung may stripe yan. Cathode yan, cathode. Sa kabila is anode. For the summary, sa ating mabilis na malupitang diode lang. Forward bias, connections niya from anode, positive, cathode, negative. Current flow, yes. State, on. On yung diode. Sa reverse bias naman, binaliktad, kung makita nyo. Anode, negative, cathode, positive. Current flow, no. State, off yung ating diode. Thanks mga boss. Bilis lang no.